Assalamu alaikum friends. I am senior anchor person, journalist Ibrahim Hussain on Pakistan Media Council District Chairman, the reporter of City Information News Channel, and the owner of Hazara News Channel, the CEO of Majbol on social media YouTube channel. Today, my topic and my vlog is about how to complete his 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscriber in YouTube. YouTube is good platform for all people because you make money from YouTube. It is easy. The followers and the fans you will see, and I will start in Urdu this next video about how to complete 4,000 watch time and how to complete 1,000 subscriber. Thank you. Pray for